Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock portfolio. First, define your financial objectives and understand your personal risk tolerance. This crucial step dictates the types of investments you should consider. A long-term horizon, typically over 10 years, often allows for greater risk and potential returns, while shorter horizons might favor more conservative approaches to protect capital. Once your goals are set, thorough research is key. Explore various companies, understanding their business models and financial health. Diversification is paramount. Spread your investments across at least 10 to 15 different stocks, or use ETFs to achieve broader market exposure. This strategy helps mitigate risk by not putting all your capital into one single investment. Begin by allocating your capital according to your risk tolerance. A common approach is to start with a solid foundation of large, established companies, often called blue-chip stocks. As you gain experience, you might introduce a smaller percentage, perhaps 10 to 20%, into higher growth opportunities or sector-specific funds. Remember to regularly rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. Building a portfolio is an ongoing process. It's essential to review your investments at least once or twice a year to ensure they still align with your financial goals. If one asset class has grown significantly, you might need to sell some to rebalance back to your target percentages. Staying updated on market conditions and economic indicators will help you make informed decisions over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.